Shri Bhakti Rasamrita. Today in America it's Ekadashi and also the start of the Jhulan festival in America. In India it's tomorrow. In India it's tomorrow. So in few places it's been celebrated tomorrow. Like in America it's today. But in India it's tomorrow. And also Ekadashi is today in America. On this Ekadashi, also we celebrate the swing festival of Shri Radha Madhav. And tomorrow is the Tirobhav Tithi, disappearance day of Shri Rupa Goswami. And we are hearing the same, we are reading the book Shri Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu, composed by, it's actually the glories of Rupa Goswami in this book. So for next 2-3 days, we will hear the glories of Rupa Goswami. We heard there are 4 types of anarthas: Sarup Brahm, Asat Trishna, Aparadh, and Hirde Durbalyam. We heard Sarup Brahm, in which there are 4 types of Brahm, means delusion. Jeev is in delusion towards himself, also towards Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan, Par Tattva Brahm. What is Sadhya Sadhan Brahm, and fourth is Maya Tattva Brahm. Second is Asat Trishna, which are again of 4 types. And in that we heard the desire to enjoy the material comforts, material things. Second is liberation, heavenly planets, parlokik, parlokik sense gratification, to attain liberation, to attain heavenly planets. Third is to attain siddhis. It's called Ashta Siddhi, means 8 types of siddhis are there. And then finally liberation. So second part is just heavenly planets, not liberation. So fourth point is liberation. And then we heard offenses, means aparadh, which are of 4 types: offenses toward Krishna, offenses toward Krishna's holy names, offenses towards his Sri Vigrah of Krishna, and also offenses towards the living entities. Today we will hear Hirde Dorbolyam. We all know what is Hirde. Hirde is heart, and Dorbalya means weak, weakness. When heart is weak, this means weakness of the heart. This is also one kind of anarth. We want to do so many things, but we are not able to do because our heart is very weak. It's very soft and not so strong. So this Hirde Dorbalyam is again of 4 types. First type is Tuch Asaktiya. Attachments. Asakti means attachments. I love my shoes. On my shoe, if someone step, then I get angry. So much attachment to a pair of shoes. I love my bag, my purse, my handbag. So any such small uh, attachment towards any such small things. I love my house, my home. I, I love my family. This happens. There is no doubt in it. And the greatest attachment is I love my phone. I love my phone. Now in this, there are too many details. One person who uses every single penny in the service of the Lord. If if his clothes, his shoes shows some attachment towards his personal objects, then that attachment is not hriday dorbalyam. To collect money or to save money for the service of the Lord. And then again, if you are showing some attachment towards your bag or shoes, then this is something else. But we are going in vacation, we are spending $5,000 on our vacation holidays, and then we are showing some attachment towards our things, small things. This is not justified. We spend so much money on ourselves, and then we show attachment for just a small bag or a phone. This is tuch asakti, insignificant. Tuch means insignificant, and asakti means attachment. So every situation we need to analyze. Like we saw our acharyas, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. His clothes is he has so many joints on his kurta upper cloth. He would stitch it himself by himself, and he was showed attachment towards his clothes. Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, he would, there are clips which you use to tie the clothes, to put on a rope to dry the clothes. Sevak Sevak would go out to dry the clothes, and the Maharaj would ask him, "How many clips you have used? Count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10." Evening time when he would bring the clothes inside the Sevak, so Maharaj would ask, "Now how many clips you have got back? You count them and then you keep them." So he would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where are the two gone? Rest of the two, where are they gone? Where are the two clips gone? If they are gone, what's the big deal? It's just a small thing. For such a small thing, why it's a big fuss? Why we need to panic or worry for two clips? So we can
Geht's
understand.
ja? Nein, beim Teil. Im anderen Lautsprecher, wie System. System. Mikrofon.
It's not about the clips, it's about two things. First is we do not want to waste money. Not at all. If you count it, then you need to be careful and bring them all back. Second point, that Vaishnav who gifted me these clips for the service, we need to respect that Vaishnav. We need to show respect towards that Vaishnav. We can't just throw their things just like that. This is disrespectful. And if we show disrespect towards any senior Vaishnav, then how can we advance in bhakti? So we saw our acharyas to see attachments in small things. There is a very big reason behind that, higher cause. But if someone spends so much money on makeup, $500 on their makeup, eh, just within a week, $500 on makeup, or they do not even think before they spend money here and there. They got a new phone, someone got a new phone, then they need a new cover for the phone, so we need a new cover for the phone as well. But we saw, oh, there's a new cover in the market, and within a week that cover is changed. This is called unwanted expenses. So we need to know where my tuch asakti is being applied. Unwanted desires, insignificant desires. Everyone can't be taken in the same direction here. Second is, this was the first point, tuch asakti. If you have a big attachment, it's understandable, but crying for small things, this is not good. This is one of the unearth. Second is kuti nati. Ku means bad, and nati means which is taboo, nishad. When something we should not be doing, nishad. Nati means do not do bad things. That's called nati. Kuti nati. Kuti means bad, and nati means do not do. It also means do not indulge in politics. Politics like Manmohan Das in Holland. I will tell him that Nitin is not a nice person. You do not talk too much to him. Because I do not want both of them to become friends with each other. If they become friends, then I will lose them. They will not have attachment for me. So I need to break their friendship. This is called politics. And other side, I'll go to Nitin Prabhu and I would say Manmohan Prabhu is just useless. He's just a useless person. Do not talk to him. He's not a nice person. This is called Kuti Nati. Bad politics. Straight point, bad politics. But if um, there are details in this as well, but we will hear this on some other day. So, straight point is that do not get trapped in anyone's statements or words. If the relationship is very intimate, close relationship, then do not believe in someone else's words. And best thing is to communicate with each other and sort out the matter. Third point is matsarya, jealousy, enviousness. Matsarya, it's very dangerous. Lust, anger, lust, anger, greed, mats, jealousy, attachment as well. The root of all this, anarthas, lust, anger, greed, envy, attachment. Okay, the root of all these is matsarya. Matsarya means jealousy. Jealousy is the root cause of lust, anger, greed, enviousness, and attachment. Oh, Jayashri is such a nice kirtaniya. I am not able to do. So I will have jealousy. I will develop jealousy towards Jayashri. And if I have jealousy for her, then my mind will think somehow I need to show her down. So from there, lust, anger, greed, madness, attachments, they all start. They all take birth in our heart. Vaishnav, if any Vaishnav says or wants to say, okay, Vaishnav should protect himself from matsarya, from jealousy. It's very dangerous. Oh, Janmashtami program took place. Someone gave a very nice performance, very nice kirtan, katha, drama, everything so nice. Everyone clapped and appreciated. The entire hall was filled with 1,000 people. They all were clapping. And seeing this, jealousy took place. I felt jealous. Matsarya. What jealousy? Will someone ever clap for me? Clap for me? First deserve, then desire. First deserve, then desire. First you become capable. People will be ready to clap for you, but first you deserve. First you deserve. You become qualified. If you deserve, if you give performance, then you don't need to tell anyone to clap for you. People will go mad and clap for you if you are deserving. That's why a Vaishnav is always protected, means it's always alert about Enviousness, you can't see it. It's envious. It's subtle. It's very subtle. Suksham, enviousness. And someone, if someone has lust in their heart, it can be seen. You can see it. Opposite, if you have lust in your heart, it can be seen. If someone is angry, you can see their anger. If someone is greedy, even very soon you can see their greed. You don't need to hide it. It can be seen. But if someone has matsarya, enviousness, jealousy, I can guarantee you, you will not be able to understand or know. You can't understand who is having jealousy towards you. Those people who know that person so well, rag rag se waqif. In Hindi, it means rag rag se waqif. You know each and every intention of that person, the nature of that person. They can easily understand and capture that the other person is doing something wrong. It's because of out of enviousness. But you will think, oh, he's speaking such a nice harikatha. He is such a bold preacher. He spoke such well siddhantas and verses and shlokas. Wow, this Maharaj speaks so well. This Prabhu today told us all new siddhantas. But inside the heart of that person, the enviousness which is going on, that you cannot see. For that you need special eyes. For that we need special eyes. We we should not have jealousy even towards a child. If we have even 1% jealousy towards anyone, you would be killing your bhakti with your own personal hands. In the path of bhakti, the biggest obstacle is jealousy, irsha, matsarya, enviousness is the biggest obstacle for any sadhak. So we should not even have 1% of jealousy in our heart. In Srimad Bhagavatam, the second shlok is Srimad Bhagavatam is nirmatsar. Nirmatsar sadhu. It means those who have no jealousy in their heart. Those kind of sadhus, those saints, those Vaishnavas, one should hear Harikatha from the lips of such sadhus. Those sadhus who have no jealousy in their heart. But no matter how much we say, this Irsha does not go so easily from our heart. It's deep rooted in our heart. It's trapped in our heart. I have seen so many people in every area, kirtan area, katha area, management area, construction area, cooking seva, Thakurji's Shingar seva, or cleaning seva. In every service, I have seen jealousy. And that person thinks no one can capture me, no one can know me, that I am jealous. I have this anartha inside me. You can fool ordinary people. You can't fool your Gurudev. You can't fool acharyas. In 1 minute, you will be scanned from your hav bhav, from your gesture, your nature, where jealousy is in your heart and where it is not. Oh, this Prabhu arranged such a big program. I'm not able to do, but out of jealousy, I can criticize that person out of jealousy. Someone has done so much hard work and organized such a big program, but we have jealousy in our heart. This unearth is there in our heart. It's not sin. It's the father of even the sins. This jealousy is the father of even sins. Before I leave, I can criticize. See, he did not arrange for proper parking space. He did not arrange for proper shoe stand, shoe place where you can keep your shoes. So 98% everything is good. Just 2%, if they have done some mistake, we want to highlight it. Why? Because we are jealous, because we have jealousy. And those who have no jealousy in their heart, the face shows, the face can show, the face speaks. In 1 minute, in 1 minute we can know if this person has jealousy or not. How we can know this? You all can't understand, it's very difficult, you can't analyze this, it's very difficult. This is this understanding comes by shastra adhyan and by the vision of shastras. But in any situation, do not pet this jealousy in your heart. We, like, we have cat and dog in our house. Just like that, we, no one forced us to keep a dog or a cat in our house, right? It was out of our wish. Similarly, jealousy, matsare, jealousy is made a pet by our own desire. Nobody forces us to make jealousy a pet. You just pick it up and throw it away from your heart. Throw it very, very far. Don't even throw it nearby. Like, if you throw garbage near your house, you can still smell. So this is Priyojit. Throw it so far that its smell should not come. It's the most dangerous disease. In material life or spiritual life, the most dangerous disease is jealousy, and it can destroy everything. It can destroy bhakti completely. So, in strong words, whatever my adhikar is, I should be in my adhikar, within my adhikar. Whatever my qualification adhikar is, as per my adhikar only I can serve. As per my adhikar only I can serve. I don't know how to sing kirtan. So how can I sing like a proper person? He sings well. And why would I jealous children or elderly people? Why? Why I want to down my own profile? If I compare myself to a child, if I become jealous with a child for because the child sings very nice kirtan, then my profile goes down. And this is one of the anartha. And this begins when our heart is weak. Hriday dorbalyam, the weakness of the heart. If our heart is weak, then we can develop jealousy. And fourth is prestige, the desire for prestige. Pratishtha ki lalsa means the desire for name and fame. My name should come up, but the cause for the prestige is also jealousy. The cause for pratishtha, name and fame, is also jealousy. Its comparison, Srila Prabhupada and Raghunath Das Goswami Ji, Srila Prabhupada Ji and Raghunath Das Goswami Ji has given its comparison to um, Prabhupada compared prestige to the stool of the pig. Srila Prabhupada, those who go to Vrindavan, you might have seen the pigs do a very big task. What they do the job of sanitation. Sanitation means they clean. They eat the stool of everyone. The delicious favorite food of a, it's called spine or pig or sewer in Hindi. His food is to, he eats the stool and toilet of other living entities, but he does not eat the stool of himself. So imagine, I mean, just think, his toilet might be, how much bad it must be. So Prabhupada said the desire for prestige, the desire for name and fame is the stool of the hog. Okay, hog, pig, sewer, they all are same. In Hindi it's called sewer, but in English it's called pig or hog. Who wants to eat? Even the Hog does not eat. So, as a Vaishnav, how can we eat? The root cause of this is matsarya, jealousy. I should become prestigious. The reason is jealousy. And Raghunath Das Goswami ji said that the desire for prestige is just like Ramani means a beautiful lady, and but how beautiful. Okay, so that lady eats the flesh of a dog. Chandal. It's called Chandal. The person who eats flesh of a dog is called Chandal. The dog eater, beautiful female, but she's a dog eater. She dances in your heart. Means you have jealousy. Raghunath Das Goswami said this. Raghunath Das Goswami said this, that desire for prestige, the desire for adoration, the desire for name and fame is just like a female, beautiful female who eats dog's meat. She dances in your heart. So, but jealousy and the desire for prestige, they both are very dangerous for any sadhak. So these two are very subtle in nature, suksham, because you can see lust easily, anger you can see, greed you can see, madness you can see more. But the desire for prestige and jealousy, they both are very subtle. You can't see. Only someone who has this subtle vision, suksham drishti, they can understand, analyze who has these two anarthas. So these four anarthas are so dangerous. When we hear all these, then we should, do we feel that I am in this category? Should I do I fall in this category? Do I feel like this? Do I have Brahm or not? Do I have delusion in God, delusion in sadhan sadhe, delusion in sadhe and sadhan, delusion in Maya? Do I not have the desire to enjoy the material world? Do I not have the desire to enjoy heaven? Do I not want to have siddhis, ashtasiddhis? I feel like I am sitting here in America, but I should reach India. This is called Siddhi. I should reach Siddhi. I should reach India. This is called Siddhi. Someone wants such a strong Siddhi that uh, what is going on in the mind of Maya Mataji? I want to know that. Then I will do so many things. What is what is she thinking? This is also one kind of Siddhi. It's called mind reading. What is in your mind that I can get to know if I have this kind of siddhi. This also we have the desire for liberation as well. We do offenses towards Krishna, towards the holy name. We commit offenses towards Shri Vigrah. We keep on doing such offenses. And okay, if we commit offenses towards Shri Vigrah, then what we should do? We should serve the Shri Vigrah. How we should serve the Shri Vigrah? Shri Vigraha. At, at least you do Aarti 2 times a day, minimum basic level, 2 times a day. Offer Bhoga. And if any festival comes of Thakurji like Jhulan, the swing festival, which is starting, so at least, if not too much fancy, then at least, basic level of festival, you can celebrate at your home, the swing festival. You can celebrate this festival at home. So from now till until Baldev Purnima, so for all of you who are following Ekadashi tomorrow, so then Jhulan will be tomorrow. You make your Thakur just sit on a swing. Shri Radha Madhav Gaudiya Math will have this festival. And even in your house also you have a small swing for your Thakurji. What's the big deal in it? And then you swing that, um, you move that swing, and then you do the aarti once while they're sitting on that swing, and you make very nice sweet. In India they offer ghevar on this festival. Ghevar, you all can learn ghevar from YouTube channel, and try to make it for your Thakurji and offer it to your deities and offer this as a bhoga to your Thakurji, and simultaneously sing bhajan. राधे झूलन पधारो, झुक आए बदरा, झुक आए बदरा, झुक घिर आए बदरा, श्याम झूलन पधारो, झुक आए बदरा. Badra means clouds. So this swing festival, this is such a beautiful festival. Manoram means it's it's attractive to our hearts. It only comes once a year, and this is also known as Hindol Utsav, Hindol festival. Another name. During the rainy season, people put swings on the trees. Today, on this very day, our Gurudev would speak this Harikatha in Sri Mathura and Sri Vrindavan Dham, and also in Delhi temple, wherever that in the temples this swing festival was celebrated. Gurudev by his own hands would swing Shri Radha Madhav ji, Shri Radha Govind Dev ji, Shri Radha Vinod Bihar ji, Shri Radha Raman Bihari ji. He would swing all these deities by his own hands. He would make them sit on the swing. Gurudev would make the deities sing, and the pujari would, tie and make the deities settle down on that swing. And then Gurudev would swing with his own hands, that swing, jhula. Then you offer the ghee lamp. Gurudev would offer the ghee lamp, and with that ghevar was offered to Thakurji with Gopal mantra. And after doing all this, then with the rope the swing would be pulled to make Thakurji happy. Be careful, Thakurji should not fall from the swing. So you tie them properly, gently. It should not be like this, that Thakurji should be tied all day just for some time. And then again, you put them on his altar, in his altar. If you have no deities, then can I also put the chitrapat on the swing? Yes, you can. In any form you can. There is a photo of Seva Kunj, or any it's all about your feelings. You can put the photo of Seva Kunj on the swing, and then you can sing this bhajan. And there another bhajan, झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में. Another bhajan for this festival which Maharaj is singing. कैसी कैसी आई हरियाली कुंजन में. Hariali means plantation. Like everywhere is green right now. So Maharaj is saying झूला झूले राधा माधव फरीदाबाद में. झूला झूले राधा गोविंद, sorry, Radha Gopinath, Holland में. I think they have Holland, Radha Gopinath in Holland. So you all can take the names of your deities, and for the pleasure of your deities, you can celebrate this swing festival in your home as well, in your house as well. You have to just make your deities happy. You have to make your Thakurji happy. So you can place a photo as well. It doesn't mean you need a big swing or a small swing. It's more about your emotions, that you gave your emotions to Thakurji on this Jhulan festival. On this swing festival, Shri Jiva Goswami, Shri Kavi Karnpur Goswami have described this swing festival very beautifully in their book Anand Vrindavan Champu. Some other day we would hear that book in a very beautiful language. They have described in Vrindavan the real swing which was made. Who makes the swings? Manjaris make the swings. Radharani's manjaris. Very beautiful on the kadam trees. झूला डारो कदम की डाली, राधा और मोहन झूले, झूले धीरे धीरे, श्याम तेरी बंसी बजे धीरे धीरे. So on the branches of kadam tree, this kadam tree is very uh, loved by Thakurji. He loves this because kadam tree, the color one is like Radharani, golden, tapt kanchan. Tamal is not spoken about, mentioned about Tamal Vriksh. It's mentioned only about Kadam tree. So there are two Vishal, very big Kadam trees, and on those two trees, Kadam trees, the Manjaris have placed swing, and they have put a cushion on that swing. So with your mind, emotions, feelings, you meditate on this pastime. One cushion is placed on that swing, and that has silken uh, chadar, and there also a hooster like a pillow, and then Radha Madhav can sit comfortably on that swing. Now the swing has four ropes, to this side, to this side, so two front, two back. So imagine from your in your mind, those ropes are like of gold, but it's not the importance of gold. On that golden ropes there are different kind of flowers, and they are like wrapped around those four golden ropes: beli, chameli, mogra, gulab, genda, all these different kind of flowers. They are very colorful and fragrant, and they also put small leaves, and then they put uh, buds, flower buds. They put those also on those four golden ropes. So the swing which we see, it, it flows in one direction, to and fro, in one direction. But for this Jhulan festival, swing festival, Manjri prepares such a unique swing that this swing can go in any direction. It can go like to and fro, to and fro. It can also go right side, right and left, right and left, horizontal, vertical, both sides. In any direction that swing can go. It is so beautiful. It's so well designed by the Manjaris that it can rotate in any direction. In whatever direction Sham Sundar Radharani want to see, that swing would move in that direction, would turn in that direction. This is how this swing is prepared. And it's rainy season right now. Very soft breeze is there. Dheere Samire Yamuna Tire. On the banks of Yamuna Maharani, very mild, fragrant, and soft and gentle. Samir. Samir means what? It's not wind. That same wind, when becomes very slow, it flows very gradually. And how we know that it's going very slowly, gradually? Because that swing or the kadam tree, on that the leaves and flowers are moving slowly. Gradually they are moving. And now different birds, parrots, all different kind of birds, they all came and sat on that swing. Even the peacocks came. Shuk parrot, Shuk pakshi, Sari parrot came, he parrot and she parrot, and many different colors of birds of big size, small size, they all came. And such a beautiful swing is built up for Radha Madhav. And nearby they placed mangoes, grapes, which are very sweet, and a big pillow or cushion, for their back, and that has beautiful work on it, that cushion. Everything is ready. So what is the wait for? What is the wait for? Not for Krishna. The wait is for Radharani. The wait is for Radharani. Gurudev says, in the month of rainy season, uh, all the married ladies, those who got married, it's the Indian culture. No one follows this in the Western world. Those got married, those who are married, they go to their mother's house. They desire, those ladies who are married, they desire to see their mother, their family on this festival. But the husband would not drop them to their mother's house or father's house. Someone from the parents' house would come to husband's house uh, to pick up the lady. So Krishna Priya Mataji, Maya Mataji, they all have seen this phase in their life. From their house, mostly the brother comes, from family side. Come, my sister, for some time you spend the time in your house with your parents, and then they do lots of kirtan together. They enjoy puri, kachori, samosa. This is one tradition in India. Basically, during rainy season, the females who are married, they come to their mother's house. But now the girls say, father, I have a car, I'll come, I'll drive myself, I will come. Or even if I can't come, it's okay, don't feel bad because I have a kitty party to go to. But from now, just 30 years back also, this rule was followed, this tradition was followed, and this tradition is coming since Krishna's pastimes. Gurudev would say, he used to say, Radha Rani, in Jawad, in her mother-in-law's house, and now rainy season has come. She is waiting. Why my brother has not come? Who is the brother of Radha Rani? Sridham. Sridham is the brother of Radha Rani. Why this Sridham has not come yet to pick me up? The brother comes to pick up the lady. So then Sridham came one day, and Radharani was showing little bit anger. Man, why you got so late? I've been waiting for so long for you, brother. Then the brother begs for sorry. Radhe, I got late because of some work, some urgent work. Now I have come, so please leave your anger and let's go together. Sri Tam takes Radharani and comes to Barsana, and the birth was in Raval. Radharani she took birth in Raval, but then they came to Barsana. So she met her parents, and now after meeting her parents, she is celebrating the swing festival. So 30-40 years back also, in Punjab, Haryana, not everywhere, but the North Indian states, mostly Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, only in these states this would happen, not in every state of India. In Delhi also. So with her friends, Sakhis, with her friends, Radharani sits on the swing and she enjoys the swing festival. Here Lalita, Radharani is swinging with along with Lalita and Vishaka, but Sham Sundar is waiting. Radharani would swing with me or not? So Sham Sundar's desire, Gopis understood. They understood, and Gopis gave the signal to the Manjaris, and the Manjaris made a very beautiful swing to fulfill the desire of Radha Madhav. Radha Rani is excited to meet Krishna. She has Utkantha to meet Krishna. Uh, Utkantita Naika. Shri Rupa Goswami Ji and Ujjwal Neelmani uh, has shown 8 types of positions, condition. The first is um, Vasat Sajja, Utkantita, Handita, Prosh Vartika, Swadhin Vartika. 1, 2 are missing. These are given by Rupa Goswami. So, Radharani does the entire makeup, Shringar, and she's waiting. Abhisarika, first one is Abhisarika. Abhisar means Gopiya, Gopiya are trying to make their meeting happen. They are arranging for the meeting. They want to make Radharani meet Krishna. She has the desire in her heart to meet Krishna. She wants to. Shyam Sundar also wants to meet Radharani. But this Utkantha, if it's fulfilled immediately, then there's not much variety. So if some obstacle comes in this, then this Utkantha increases more and more. Inside, Radharani wants to meet Shyam Sundar. Sakhi said, Radhe, Shyam Sundar is waiting for you. Where? There, uh, at the swing. Radharani said, no, no, I will not sit on the swing. I will not sit on the swing. Why? Because I am fearful. I feel fear. The Shyam Sundar, um, Krishna would, pull the swing so fastly, and I become fearful. This point through a messenger, Duti means messenger. So in Ujjwal Nilmani, there are so many varieties of messenger also given. Even Vamshi, the flute, is also a messenger. One gopi also becomes a messenger, Dhuti. Dhuti means messenger. So one messenger goes to Krishna and says, Radharani is not coming. She fears that you would pull the swing very fastly. Krishna says, no, no. I will just sit on the swing. I will not pull the swing. Gopis would pull the swing. You speak to them. So somehow the other, Radha Rani, uh, so Gopis somehow they made Radharani agreed, and they convinced her that we will not pull the swing so with so much speed. We would be very pulling the swing very gradually. Oh Radharani, please come and sit on the swing. Radhe jhulan padharo, झुक आए बदरा, झुक आए बदरा, गिर आए बदरा, प्यारे झूलन पधारो, झुक आए बदरा. Then ऐसो मान नाही की जो हट छोड़ो रे अली. Ali means Sakhi. Oh my friend, oh my Sakhi, don't do show this man. Don't do this man. Now here Radharani doing which kind of man? Nirhetu, without cause. This man has no sense here. A hetuk man. She wants with her heart to meet Krishna, but externally she is showing like this. Externally only. So ऐसो मान नहीं कि जो हट छोड़ो रे अली. हट छोड़ दो means you don't be rigid. Oh my friend, come and sit on the swing. Ali means friend. तुम तो परम सयानी वृषभानु की लली. You are so intelligent, smart. You are the daughter of Vishvanu Maharaj. And साजो सोला श्रृंगार धरो नैनो कजरार. Radharani is ready to sit on the swing because she has done her sola shringar, complete makeup. So then why you did makeup if you're not sitting on the swing? And on her, in her eyes she has put some very beautiful kajal, kajrare nain, black kajal. पहरो पंच रंग साड़ी और श्याम चदरा. Radharani is wearing a sari. Which color of that sari? Panch rang sari. It has 5 colors. Multicolor sari. And on top she has one chadar. It's called chadar. Means it is of it has so many varieties. Dark blue color chadar, like a shawl, like a stole, which is not black color but dark blue color, and it has golden stars, and in the corner it has embroidery, golden embroidery. Are you imagining this? Maharaj is asking. It's not completely black, that chadar, but it is blue color. It has s- golden stars. So Radharani is actually wrapped in that chadar. It's a kind of shawl, you can say. Radharani has, covered her face with her veil, and she's feeling shy. So gopis are convincing her to meet and to come and sit on the swing. Tero rasika priyatam mat jodo tak khado. Or Radha ji, your priyatam Sham Sundar, he's waiting for you. Krishna is waiting for you. And requesting also. Krishna is requesting also. So please let's come Radharani. Please come Radharani. All the gopis are trying to convince Radharani. And then Radhe Jaha Pad Dharo Sham Naina. Radharani, wherever you glance with your eyes, there Krishna, Sham, Krishna follows behind you. Radharani is like, is she black or blue? She is golden. It is such a beautiful description of swing festival in this bhajan. Those ropes which were hanging, they were of silk, not ordinary ropes on the swing. Jaki bhaiya gori gori, pehenan hathan gajra. Radharani's arms are golden, and in her hands she has not bangles. Instead of bangles, she has gajra. Gajra means it's a white flower like mogra. It's a flower basically. And Mataji's put this gajra on their hair. But this Radharani is wearing this on her hands, wrist, around her neck, all around. So she has done shringar of white flowers. During rainy season only we get this white flower in India during the rainy season. So it's called Gajra actually. Even in Radha Madhav, they would do Shingar of Radha Madhav in Faridabad temple with these kind of flowers. It's called Gajra. Uh, Gurudev would hear this bhajan. Jhula Jhule Radha Damodar Vrindavan. Today Maharaj is singing all these different songs because it's swing festival there. कैसी आई हरियाली कुंजन में झूला झूले राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में. One side is Krishna, one side is also uh, Radha Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj and the daughter of Rishbhanu Maharaj. They are sitting together on the swing. So in the forest of Kadam trees, such beautiful flowers are grown. और झूला झूले रे राधा दामोदर वृंदावन में. So Gurudev would hear these songs, bhajans, and there are also many more Harikatha. Tomorrow we will again hear more. But for now, we would take darshan of Jhulan swing. How these devotees, you all can see maybe on Gurudev's Zoom screen to take darshan of that swing which I think Priya Mataji has done. So for all of you, we will just show you the swing, but we would not pull the swing because the swing is pulled only during evening time, not throughout the day. So remember this point. So you all take darshan now, so that even all of you in your house, you can celebrate this swing festival like this. So Maharaj is actually sharing his screen. Uh, he's moving the camera, I mean to say. Jai. So maybe I can show through my screen. Let me try. Let me try if I can. Um, I don't know if you all can see. This is nothing in the house of Priya Mataji. Um, I think you all might have the screen open, Maharaj screen. Oh, okay. Now they are offering the lamp to Radha Madhav, and Maharaj is singing. राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा झुक आए बदरा गिर आए बदरा राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए. I don't know if you all can see. If someone can confirm me, then I won't show my mobile like this. नाही की जो हट छोड़ो रे ऐसा मान नहीं कि जो हट छोड़ो रे अरे से आने ऋषभा. Okay, perfect. Thank you for confirming. अनि वृषभानु की लली ले झूलना पधारो. So Maharaj is singing the bhajan while Priya Didi's daughter is offering the ghee lamp to their deities who are sitting on the swing. And another girl is offering the chamar now. Maharaj wants all of us to learn from them actually, so that we can do like this in our house as well, for the next 5 days, because this festival is for 5 days. राधे जहाँ पग धोरो धरो डाले रेशम डोरी थके ढूले राधा गोरी. गोरी बहन आई. This song is actually in Gaudiya Giti Guchi. If you have this book, Surbi Mataji, you can get this bhajan from there. Oh, now Maharaj is offering the chamar as well. गिर आए बदरा झुक गिर आए बदरा राधे झूलन पधार झुक आए बदरा. जय राधा माधव राधा माधव Radha Go. Maharaj is actually singing the kirtan now while he's doing the aarti. So I'm just repeating his kirtan actually. Jai Radhe, Jai Radhe, Jai Radhe. जय महारानी की जय राधा नी की जय महारानी की जय रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय. बरसाने वाली की जय जय जय, बरसाने वाली की जय जय जय। निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, निताय गौर हरि बोल, निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, निताय गौर हरि बोल। So Maharaj is playing the conch now actually. श्री श्री राधा माधव की जय। Okay, the meeting has ended now. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. A very happy Swing Festival to all of you, because in America it's today. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.